Get hold of this one. 800 Floral is one of the good ones. This affiliate program can be a good addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio. You can earn good commissions month after month with this one as well. Check this out. 800 Floral sells flowers, floral arrangements, bouquets and floral gifts to people celebrating and those mourning. Life is full of situations that require celebrations and plenty of situations that require mourning. Weddings, birthdays, funerals, holidays, and festive occasions like graduations. That's where florists come in. Customers pay money for flowers online every day. That means your opportunity to make money is huge. Selling flowers for occasions is much easier than many other niches because it is an emotional purchase. Flower-related keywords are searched over 2 million times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to make sales using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $130. Affiliates receive 20% of each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links in search engine results. This is a good affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.